Hey, it's Joseph here. Today we are checking out Cube Pocket Keyboard from NILLKIN. Quickly on the box, we've got the picture of the keyboard, and this is in specific color of Deep Forest Black. A couple of notable features here are foldable and portable design that I mentioned, and it supports multiple device connections and eco-friendly organic silicone material, and also numeric keyboard trackpad integration, which is quite interesting. So let's get it opened. Okay, we've got neatly packaged stuff here, NILLKIN, and accessory box over here. USB type A to C cable for charging purposes. And here is a nice carrying pouch, along with the user manual in multiple languages. Multi-finger gestures for your Windows, Bluetooth connection, and it works with Android or iOS or macOS, so you can connect to multiple different type of operating systems. And then here is the main bit. Okay, so here is the keyboard itself, folded. It's got the nice rubbery feel to it, and I suppose you kind of fold it up like this. Nice. Neat. Folding in and out is quite easy. The entire back is the rubbery material that helps in terms of laying it down flat on a hard surface like this so that it doesn't move around. And here is the peel. So we've got regular type of keyboard here. The travel distance is not great, but it is fine for this type of usage. And also the trackpad is included. I really like the fact that it has the integrated numpad on here. Mainly I was looking for a foldable keyboard that has a trackpad so that I can quickly carry around or store it away. My main purpose for this keyboard, I think, is gonna be my living room PC purposes, so that I can easily use a trackpad on my sofa and type away if needed. And then I can just kind of store it away, just like a TV remote of some kind, and then just put it on the table. And then next time I need to use it, unfold it, and then use it. You can see that it kind of folds at the seam of these keys here. And it's got a couple of other special keys, such as using the function key for all the F keys, and then multimedia control, and then page up and down along with home and end. And then you can lock the function key if you'd like, and also Bluetooth 1, 2, 3 is on there so that you can pair with different type of devices. So I'm gonna have to test this out on my living room setup to validate whether this works well or not, but initial impressions are quite nice. And in order to use this, I suppose I need to charge it up. The charging port is down here with a USB Type-C port, so I may connect that up to get it going. You can see that the charging indicator is turned on now, letting you know that it is being charged. And then you can also see there is a switch right here, so you can slide that to turn it on. And then Bluetooth 1 is blinking to let me know that it is attempting to pair. Let me connect that up with my computer to test it out. And I suppose in order to pair it up, I need to activate pairing mode, which is this key over here. And you can see that it is blinking rather fast. And I can see it listed on my computer here, and it is connected. So I can use it as my trackpad, and it is working. In order to make that into a numpad, I suppose I just press this key over here, and this one has lit up now, letting me know that this is a numpad instead of trackpad. And then if I switch back, this becomes a trackpad, which will be normal usage for me. Anyways, I plan on using this in my living room as I have a computer set up in my living room to watch different type of TV shows and all the movies that we watch as a family, and I need a keyboard and a trackpad. I can't have a mouse because I don't necessarily have a hard surface to do that or hunch over to my table that is in front of the sofa. So I'm gonna need some sort of keyboard that I can just use on my lap and quickly store away as I need to go elsewhere and not worry about dust settling on the keys or accidentally having different things just fall on it. So yeah, I wanted some sort of foldable keyboard that has keyboard and a trackpad, and this seems like a nice setup from NILLKIN. So this was a short unboxing and showcase of NILLKIN Pocket Foldable keyboard with a trackpad, and quickly fold away the keyboard and leave it on a table like this. Yeah, if you have found this video useful, please like it and consider subscribing to my channel to continue watching these type of videos. Thank you so much for watching. As always, I'll see you next time. Bye.